For marketers interested in promoting high-ticket items, affiliate programs like Bluehost, Kinsta, and WP Engine are worth exploring. These web hosting services offer commissions of $50 to $200 per sale, making them ideal for tech-savvy audiences. SaaS affiliate programs such as those offered by HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and SEMrush can also be highly profitable. These programs often include recurring commissions, meaning you'll continue earning as long as the customer remains subscribed. To maximize your earnings, consider diversifying further by exploring niche-specific programs. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might join programs like Bowflex, Fitbit, or MyProtein. In the travel niche, look into Booking.com, Expedia, and Travel Payouts. For the finance niche, programs like Credit Karma, Personal Capital, and Robinhood can be excellent choices. Research each program thoroughly to ensure they align with your audience's interests and needs. Investing in tools and courses can significantly speed up your progress. Advanced SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush are invaluable for keyword research, backlink analysis, and tracking your rankings. For content creation, Grammarly ensures your writing is error-free, while tools like Canva and Visma help you create eye-catching visuals. Video content is becoming increasingly important, so consider using tools like Camtasia or Final Cut Pro for video editing. To master affiliate marketing, enroll in courses like Authority Hacker or Income School's Project 24. These programs provide in-depth training on building, scaling, and monetizing affiliate websites. Udemy and Skillshare are also excellent resources for more affordable courses on SEO, content marketing, and web development. Joining online communities like Reddit's r/affiliate marketing or Facebook groups can provide additional support and insights from experienced marketers. Finally, tracking and optimizing your performance is critical for long-term success. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your traffic, keywords, and site performance. Plugins like Pretty Links can help you track clicks and conversions for each affiliate link. Conduct regular A/B tests to determine which headlines, calls to action, and page layouts perform best. Update your content periodically to keep it fresh and relevant, and don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies. Affiliate marketing is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to learn. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools and resources, you can create a sustainable income stream that grows over time. Stay focused, keep experimenting, and never stop improving. The possibilities are endless. Investing in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, real estate, and other asset classes has become one of the most popular ways to build wealth over time. However, success in investing isn't about luck. It's about knowledge, strategy, and discipline. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything you need to know to get started, from understanding different types of investments and platforms to building a diversified portfolio and using tools for analysis. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for navigating the world of investments with confidence. The first step in your investing journey is understanding the different asset classes and what they offer. The stock market is a great starting point for beginners. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and when you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. Stocks can be categorized broadly into growth stocks, which are expected to grow at an above-average rate, value stocks, which are considered undervalued by the market, and dividend stocks, which pay regular income to shareholders. The key to stock investing is understanding your risk tolerance and investment goals. Are you looking for steady income, or are you willing to take on more risk for higher potential growth? Real estate is another powerful asset class that has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries. Real estate investing involves purchasing, owning, managing, renting, or selling property for profit. For beginners, it's essential to understand the various types of real estate investments available. Residential real estate includes single-family homes, apartments, and vacation properties. These can generate income through rental payments, and their value often appreciates over time. Commercial real estate involves properties used for business purposes, such as office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses. These typically require larger investments but can yield higher rental income and long-term appreciation. Industrial real estate encompasses properties used for manufacturing, storage, and distribution, like factories and logistics centers. This can be lucrative, especially in areas with growing e-commerce demand. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They allow investors to buy shares and earn dividends without owning physical properties. House flipping involves buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price. While it can be profitable, house flipping requires careful market research and project management. Short-term rentals, facilitated by platforms like Airbnb, have also become popular but require knowledge of local regulations and effective property management. For those new to real estate, starting with residential properties is often the most accessible option. If you're interested in purchasing your first property, you should begin by educating yourself. Learn the basics of real estate investing by reading books like The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller or taking online courses. Familiarize yourself with terms like ROI, which stands for Return on Investment, NOI, which is Net Operating Income, and cap rates, which measure the return on a real estate investment. Determine how much you can afford to invest by setting a budget that includes the down payment, closing costs, renovation expenses, and an emergency fund for unexpected repairs or vacancies. If you're financing the property, work with a lender to get pre-approved for a mortgage, as this will help you understand your borrowing capacity and make you a more competitive buyer. When choosing a market, research real estate trends to identify areas with growth potential. Look for factors like job growth, population increases, and infrastructure development. Suburban areas near major cities often offer excellent opportunities. Once you've identified a promising area, use online tools like Zillow or Realtor.com to search for properties. Evaluate potential deals by calculating metrics like cash flow, ROI, and cap rate. For rental properties, aim for a positive cash flow after accounting for mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Conduct a thorough inspection to uncover any issues before finalizing your purchase. Work with professionals like real estate agents, property inspectors, and attorneys to ensure a smooth transaction. After closing the deal, decide whether you'll manage the property yourself or hire a property management company. Self-management can save money, but requires time and effort. Property managers handle tasks like tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance.